Tiger Lily says, wait, so if I have central air, I can't have that running at all? That's going to be rough. Arizona, I do it. I have done it for 8 years. What really helps me is having a programmable thermostat, like a Nest, for your air conditioner, and then having the app on your phone so you can control the air conditioner from your phone in your studio. That is really a help. Turn it off, or like get it nice and cold and then turn it off and then narrate a chapter, a half a chapter, and then turn it back on. You know what I mean? Just find what works for you, but it'll be a much better audio quality if it's off and you're not trying to remove it afterwards. Because those same frequencies that are in noise are also present in our voices. So if we're asking our DAW, if we're isolating the frequency of noise and we're asking the DAW to remove it from the entire file, that could remove some of that same frequency from your voice, making you sound very hollow and tinny, right? All of that rich depth to our voices is eliminated with the noise floor. So you'll be much better off by just biting the bullet and turning the air conditioner off while you record, and then turn it back on while you edit.